Hey guys, welcome back. This is Cool IT Help and this is new JavaFX tutorial session on area chart. Guys, in this tutorial session I will show you how to add negative values or if you want to display negative values in area chart, then how we can do it. And this is the same project I am using, which is FXML based. So in this tutorial session, learn to add negative values series on JavaFX area chart and we will perform. Let me show you what I am talking about. So here's the example, and this is the area chart, and you can see the first one, the first series, which is representing some data points on negative y-axis. So it has some negative values. So how we can make arrangements to display some negative values in our which are present in our data series. So I will show you how you can do it. This is very easy. Let's get started. Okay, let me close this thing, and now I'm back here in the notepad. So these are the 5 steps which we are going to perform and we will achieve that thing. In the first step, we need to create a FXML based project, and in which we will create the area chart. So guys, we have already done this thing in our previous tutorial, so link given in the description, so you guys can watch that tutorial first and use the same project. In this step 2, I am using the same project which I had used in my previous tutorial on area chart. So I will do some changes in the FXML, then I will explain you there. In the step 3, after making the changes in the FXML, we need to create one data series which have some negative data points or negative values to display on the chart. In the step 4, we need to add this new series in the area chart. And finally, we will take the clean build and will perform a test run. Now guys, we are here in the NetBeans IDE 8.0. This is the same project. JavaFX is tagged area chart. This was the last video which I have published on area chart. So I'm using the same project. As I have told you, the link in the description. If you want to check that tutorial, so just visit that video tutorial and watch it, and then you can come back here and continue with this tutorial session. And you can see this is the FXML based project. We have a FXML, we have controller, and we have a main class file. Now I will show you FXML. So the FXML is opened here in the scene builder. You can see this is the y-axis, which is the number axis, and we have the x-axis as a number axis. Now you can see the numbers are presented from 0 to 110, but there is no upper limit. This is auto adjusted. We will perform some changes. We will do some settings here to make it compatible to represent negative values. So go on the right hand side here in this properties section, and here we have lots of properties. So we need to pick and set some properties. So look at here at this lower bound. So guys, lower bound means the starting point of your y-axis. Right now this is set to 0. Now I need the negative values. So I will give the starting. So I need to give -5, -10. So according to this, I will do changes. So I am giving -5. Once I put -5, press enter, you will see the change. So you will see the number axis changed accordingly, and you can see the numbers are increasing by 10, 10, 20, 34, and now I will adjust it. So you have to unselect this auto arranging checkbox. Now you can see we have the 0 at this place and we have this -5 just below it. So we are getting the negative values as well as on y-axis. So if you increase the size of this area chart, you can see the complete range from 0 to 100. Now suppose, as we know, our data series don't have the 100 value, so I will set upper bound to 70 to set the values properly, and this will display clearly and there will be no crowding here. So upper bound is set or at 70. And now if you want to increase the tick level, when you increase the tick level, you can see what changes is happening here. Okay, so this is just for the additional makeover you want on your JavaFX area chart. If you want to remove the minor tick, you can simply uncheck this box. So guys, this is the changes we have done here. And now one more important thing, we must have a FX ID assigned to this stacked area chart or whatever the area chart you are using. Okay, that's it. We have done with the stacked area chart FXML. Now I'm minimizing it. Now we are going back here in the FXML controller.java file. Now at this place, as you know, we have done the changes. Now it's time to create the series. As you can see, I am using the same project which we had used in previous tutorial. So we have two series already there, and now I have already added one more series which is commented. So I will uncomment this and this will come in place. You can see I have created the new series for the March month, for which we are capturing the temperature data. So the temperature captured for the first day is -2 degrees Celsius, and further we'll be moving. So we got the third day, and on third day we got -4 degrees Celsius and so on. We at 12th day we found -4 degrees Celsius. So in this way we have created the series, and these are the data points. So once the series is ready, finally we need to add this series in this tagged chart or the area chart. So at line number this, which is already there, so I just uncommented it, and this way you can see I have added March, July and August in the sequential manner. Because these data points will touch the negative y-axis, that's why I have added this on first place. That's all. This is saved, no other change required. File saved. Now I'm taking a clean build of this project, and after finishing the build we will perform the test run. Okay, it's done. Now this time we are going to run it. You can simply click on this button, or you can go here on the project, do the right click or choose run option, or you simply do the right click here and run file on this start method. So guys, stage is launched, and you can see the new series is added, which have some negative data points reflecting on the y-axis. As you can see, on third day we captured the temperature I think -3 degrees Celsius, and on 12th day we captured the temperature -4 degrees Celsius. So this way you can display all the negative values, or you can adjust the negative values on the XY area chart. And that's all for now. And if you guys found this tutorial relevant and useful, please hit the like button, and you guys can subscribe my channel to learn more. I hope to see you there in next tutorial session. And guys, thanks for watching. Cool IT Help.